Managing money can feel overwhelming, right? Most people struggle to stick to a budget because they don't know where to start or get lost in complicated plans. In this video, you'll learn how to manage your money effectively with a simple budget that anyone can follow. Many people struggle with overspending and financial stress due to a lack of budgeting, which can lead to anxiety and poor financial decisions. This stress can affect not just your financial health, but also your mental well-being, making everyday tasks feel like a burden. Financial stress can strain relationships with family and friends, making it even harder to find a way out. Without a clear plan, it's easy to fall into a cycle of overspending, especially with the constant temptation of online shopping and lifestyle inflation. Over time, these habits can become ingrained, making it even more challenging to change. We'll break down the steps to create a budget, including tracking your income, categorizing expenses, and setting financial goals. The first step is to understand how much money you have coming in each month. This includes your salary, any side hustles, and any other sources of income. Next, you'll need to categorize your expenses into needs, wants, and savings. This helps you see where your money is going and make informed decisions. Finally, setting clear financial goals gives you a target to work towards, whether it's saving for a vacation, paying off debt, or building an emergency fund. The key moment will be demonstrating how a budget can transform your financial situation, showcasing real-life examples of success. For instance, consider someone who starts tracking their expenses and realizes they're spending a lot on dining out. By cutting back on just a few meals, they can save hundreds each month. Another example is a person who sets a goal to pay off their credit card debt. By allocating a specific amount each month, they can see progress and feel motivated to continue. These small changes can add up over time, leading to significant financial improvements. Real-life examples like these show that budgeting isn't about restricting yourself, but about making conscious choices that align with your goals. We'll recap the importance of budgeting and how it can lead to financial stability and peace of mind. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment with your budgeting tips, and check out our next video on saving strategies.